If you drive a Tesla, you know the struggle. The glass roof, the side windows, they're all tinted and solar protected to keep the sun out, but the windshield is a huge gap, and these things just bake in the sun when you leave them outside all day like I do. I wanted to see just how bad it gets in there, so I left my car out in the driveway on a 90-degree day with a digital thermometer sitting right on the dash. By 3 o'clock, it was so hot that the thermometer appeared to glitch out and gave me an error. So I pulled out my laser temp gun, and sure enough, the dashboard was sitting in the 180s. That's way too hot for your phone, your computer, your camera gear, or any of the expensive electronics and the interior materials like the wood paneling that you're trying to protect. Now, for years, I've been using one of these large, clunky, foil-style roll-up shades to protect my car from the sun. I'm definitely aware how important it is to keep it cool, and I've been doing my best. But this thing, it's so clunky, so huge to use, as you can see right there as I took my hat off, that I end up not using it half the time. This thing takes up half the passenger footwell, or most of the back seat. For storing it, it's such a pain to roll out. You never know which side is up, and the Velcro strap ends up getting stuck on things inside the car. I only ever use it half the time, and that means that my car is baking in the sun the rest of the time. So with the summer heat wave approaching, EVBase sent me this, an umbrella-style compact windshield sunshade for your Tesla Model 3 or Y. This is meant to be easy to store, easy to deploy, and easy to stow, so I gave it a try. The setup is simple. It folds down like an umbrella and tucks right into the door pocket, so it's always ready. I like how compact it is and how it's easy to store without taking up a ton of room in the back seat like my old school style roller one does. I even installed a little hook on the back of the front seat so I can just reach back and grab it without bothering any passengers, and it doesn't take up any of their foot space. It's intended to be so easy to use that you'll install it every time you park in the sun. That means that when you finally hop back in the car or fire up preconditioning from the app, the car is not starting from 180 degrees. You're using less energy to cool the cabin down, which saves you money and preserves a little bit of that precious range. Taking a look at the umbrella style sunshade inside the car, it does a good job of offering protection all across the windshield, pillar to pillar and base to top. It really does. And it does have a Velcro strap here to tie in the middle. Now, if you use pet mode with the sunshade installed, it does block the interior camera. The other thing I want to comment on with this is that there is a process to installing it. Basically, you kind of need to get the thing tucked under here, then extend the umbrella, and then the handle, the trick is the handle just rests here on top of the screen. Now, it doesn't put a lot of pressure on it. I'm not worried that it's going to break the screen, but I also don't love that I have a metal handle resting on here. Now, some folks have like a rubber edge on here that they buy, so if you had that, it might be okay. But just be aware that the procedure calls for this to rest on here. I don't expect it to cause problems on the long term, but basically the convenience of the small form factor umbrella comes with a little bit of clunkiness in deploying it and resting it on the screen. That's just a trade-off. You have to decide what's right for you. Alternatively, you have the old school style foil one, which is a little simpler in mechanics to install versus the umbrella, and it doesn't put anything on the screen, but it does take up quite a bit of room in the car, and it is quite a bit to wrestle with. So sun protection is important, but you have to decide what's right for you when you're evaluating this. Small form factor and good protection with a little bit of clunkiness and a handle on the screen, or do you want simplicity with fumbliness in getting it deployed and stowed, taking up a lot of room, and is that the equation that you need? EVBase offers a good option depending on what's most important to you. And at the end of the day, my personal take on the EVBase sunshade is that I'm glad it exists. I've seen these listed. I even really thought about getting one of these myself before I bought my roller one, and I'm glad I had a chance to try it. I think it does solve the problems that my roller shade has in terms of it taking up a ton of space from my passengers in the cabin, and it also can be really clunky to roll out and unroll, and that Velcro strap always gets stuck on something. So it solves those problems. However, Solving those problems creates a little bit of clunkiness, and you have to decide for yourself about that handle. The handle bends, rests on top of the screen. I think if I had one of those rubber screen mounts, I wouldn't worry about it at all. And then you have to just make sure or deal with straightening out the handle again so you can retract the umbrella. Ultimately, no solution is perfect, and I think all of us have our individual preferences on what we think works best for us. So again, glad it exists. Choice is the ultimate freedom, and it's great that EVBase gives us a choice in our windshield sunshades. And that brings us back to our solar heat experiment. I parked my car in the same spot in the driveway today, another 90+ degree day here in southeastern Pennsylvania, but this time I have the EVBase umbrella style sunshade installed. You can see it offers great protection, pillar to pillar, top to bottom, and it's a light color on the sun side, so it'll reflect that heat really well. Checking the temperature from the inside thermometer, you can see that the difference is significant. It's not just about the immediate comfort of keeping your car cooler, it's about protecting your investment and keeping your car looking great and keeping it protected. So if you're tired of your bulky roll-up shade and you're looking for an alternative, EVBase has you covered.
If you want to pick one of these up for yourself, you can head over to EVBase.com. If you use the code EVJOHN at checkout, you'll save 20% off your entire order site-wide. It's a great way to save a little cash, and it also helps out the channel since I earn a small commission, so I really do appreciate that support. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting that like button. It's a small thing, but it helps the channel a ton, and if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. It costs you nothing to subscribe, and it's the best way to help my channel and keep up with the next adventure. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one soon.